everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafting.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I'm bringing you another concept. This is a Juneteenth concept. I had these Juneteenth puzzles that I got at Dollar General at Family Dollar for pennies on the dollar, y'all, because this was back when my Family Dollar was closing. So I picked up all the ones that they had. So I'm using the ones I have left, which is either two. I might have one more that I've already wrapped. I need to look at it. But anyway, I'm going to spin you around, let you look at this Juneteenth concept. You can tell me what you think about it. Alright, this is what this one is looking like. So what I did was I added the Libby glass that we've made. And this one says Juneteenth Vibes Only. And it is the clear top Libby glass for this concept. We have one of our Black History pins. This is the straw to the Libby glass. I also added the Black History earrings here. Alright. So it's the Black History for me. And then we have our Black History beaded and corded bracelets down here. And I just added them to the back of this box. All right, and then the front of the box looks like this. It says Find Your Voice. All right, and I'm going to bag this just like this into a shrink wrap bag. And that's going to be the gift. So I will show you what it looks like once I have bagged it up. And then we will bow it, tag it, and get it out for sale. Alright, so we are bagged and bowed, and I just did the shrink wrap on it. And that is what this gift looks like. This is a very nice Juneteenth gift. I'll be making a duplicate of this because I do have two of these puzzles. I may be making a triplicate of it if I have a third puzzle in there. I do have some more puzzles, but one of them is wrapped up, and I think it may be one like this. I'm not sure. I have to take a peek under the wrapping and see. Alright, but you all tell me what you think down in the comments about this Juneteenth gift. Make sure you like, share, you comment, and you subscribe. Thank you all for your support. Thank you to my new subs. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafting.